Hi guys, I'm going to give a DIY makeover to this boring t-shirt. Now it's the fun part begins. I am stenciling this using fabric paint. Before applying paint, I put this cardboard piece inside the t-shirt to avoid the paint transferring to the other side of the t-shirt. After that, I used the masking tape to mark the line. Top of that line, I kept the design and started applying fabric paint over it. Once finished painting, let it dry for 24 hours. The next day, I turned the reverse side of the t-shirt and ironed it to set the paint. After 72 hours, I washed the t-shirt. Now it is ready to wear. Thanks for watching. See you next time.